February 1st, 2020. We're out here. We're going to try to take advantage of a nice day in early February to do some observing. We got some high-level clouds right now, but hopefully those will clear. It looks like it might be clearing off later. The moon will look good tonight, so we're going to maybe try for some of that. And if it clears off, we can have some fun with some other things. So, all right. Okay, hi, I'm back. It's been about 2 hours since we last checked in, and I would say conditions has probably deteriorated in that time period, but it looks like, looking at the weather, it might clear off. So we're going to keep things out. I've got the binoculars and the eyepieces out cooling, and then, of course, the big binoculars are out right now. I'll bring out the small Dob here in the next maybe 30 minutes or so. So hope for some clear skies, and we'll check in with you in about another hour or two. All right, I'm back, and it's been about an hour or so. Got the Dob sitting outside, and we came out to take a look to see the moon. And through the binoculars, it's looking pretty good. It's still pretty cloudy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's taken enough of the brightness out of the moon, which I think might be a good thing for tonight. So anyway, we're going to try to get a couple of shots of the moon, some close-ups with the camera and stuff, and we'll check in with you again in about another hour or so. All right, it's about 6:45, and we're going to go check conditions outside. We're going to do moon observing, so I got my moon maps and targets laid out, but let's go take a look really quick. And so I'm not going to use the binoculars right now. I'm going to look through the telescope because it's been kind of clearing off a little bit, then clouding up, clearing off. So right now it looks like we've got some pretty good conditions. Yeah, and that looks really nice. So it's yeah, the clouds really take the brightness down off the moon. So yeah, excellent. All right. Great. Well, we'll check in a little bit later. Okay. All right. Yeah. So I'm going to change eyepieces on the moon to see if we can get a little bit better view. It's cleared off a bit, so. Yeah, that looks good if you take it out a bit, get a little more light in. It's pretty stable. Try for some close-ups maybe. Okay. Cut. All right, this is a pretty cool feature. I've got this little device. I'll show you a picture of it. But anyway, it mounts to the eyepiece, and you can see what's going on. So that's how you're able to see. I've been able to put these pictures up. So what I have coming up right now is the Apollo 11 landing site on the moon, right? And you see there's this white spot that kind of is moving on the top part of the frame there. So right out a little bit from there is where the Apollo 11 site was. So I'll zoom out a little bit so you can keep your eye on that little white dot is about where it is. You'll see where that sits on the moon. So in the eyepiece, everything's upside down. So I don't know if Anne can fix this or not, but yeah, so this is just a small device that hooks up to my iPhone. All right. Now about 9:30. Again, on and off with the moon. So I've put a couple pictures. You'll be able to see based on this gizmo that mounts your phone, and your phone mounts in here, and the camera goes through that, and it gets all tightened down, and then this fits over the eyepiece, and it's got these things clamp around all together. So and then holes on there, and then you can kind of take some pictures. So it's kind of an interesting setup. So works okay. Anyway, all right, so we'll see. Maybe it's going to clear off a little bit more, and we'll do a few more pictures or a little more jabbering and call it a night. Okay. All right, it's about 10:30, and I'm going to be wrapping it up. I'm going to leave the daub out for a little bit. It looks like there's some clear spots. I don't know. I'll see. But I'm putting everything else away. So might be a wrap. If not, I'll check in a little bit. But all right.